Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. We have these equations, so we put in here. Now we need to put first the derivative for the both sides. So for this one in here, we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. That means we have y equal to ab. So if we do first the derivative, we need to do first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So we can apply the formula in here. So we do first the derivative of x multiplied by e to the power of y. Later that we do first the derivative of e to the power of y multiplied by x. This one we do the same. First the derivative of x, you got about 1. First the derivative of y, you got first the derivative of y like this. Now, first the derivative of x, you got about 1. So we have e to the power of y. This one, we do first the derivative of e to the power of y. We keep about same. But we still have y. First the derivative of y, you got about first the derivative of y here. And we have x. This one, we do the same. First the derivative of e to the power of x, you got about e to the power of x. First the derivative of x, you got about 1. So we just write like this because we have y in here. Now on the question, they want to find dy over dx. That means they want to find about first the derivative of y. So that should be in here. Now, first the derivative of y, we need to put on the left. This one put on the left, we have negative first the derivative of y. We don't have first the derivative of y. We need to put on the right. The reason I need to put everything on the left because I want to do about factorization. Now we can divide both sides by this one. And now we can get the final answer. That should be about A. This is the end. Thank you for watching.